Hello and welcome. My name is Justus and I'm here to guide you through the Teacher Service Commission online wealth declaration process. Whether you're declaring income, assets or liabilities, this is a step-by-step walkthrough that will make the process clearer and easy to follow. As an educator and administrator, I know how important it is to get it right. So let's dive in together. By the end of it, you'll be confident in completing the declaration process online. So step 1, go to your browser, whichever one you like, be it Microsoft Edge, be it Mozilla, and click to open the browser. Now in my case, I'm going to use Chrome browser. I'll click and open and then type Teachers Online. Now since I've been doing it quite a time, it automatically appears based on my history. Now once on that page, you can see several things: Teacher Service Commission Kenya, and then we have new teacher registration. But what you're interested in on the tab you can see on my PC is Declaration of Income and Assets. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will prompt you. It will bring a field where you have to input your TSC number. So I'll put my TSC number there and then click next and wait for the next prompt. Now once you are on that page, if you remember your password, you will enter your password and continue or proceed to login. But if you've forgotten your password, you can't remember, you click on forgot password and then you'll be prompted to enter your TSC number. Once you key in your TSC number, an OTP will be generated. Remember, you once registered your number on TMIS, that official number that is used for communication with TSC. That OTP code will be sent to that number and you'll be using it to reset your password. But since I remember my password, I'll key in my password and then click log in. You get to this page, you can see here there's a drop down: wealth declaration, general information, the previous declarations that I've done up to the last, that was 2021-2023. There you can see my profile. There you can sign out or you can update your details. Click on general information. So once it opens, you'll end up on this page. That is the General Information page, Section A, the Public Officers Ethics Act and Abilities, then Section 26. And then there's some important information that we need to put in mind. That is the period of the statement. That is from 1st November 2023 to the end period is 31st October 2025. So that is the current declaration that we need to make. Now, so you come and click on this biannual declaration button. Now, once on this page, ensure you check the information, your station code details, if they are correct, your email address, place of birth, and all other fields. Now, for primary, if you're teaching in primary, you select primary from the drop down, and then for example, I've selected all the subjects. Now for those who teach in secondary or post-primary, you click on post-primary and then it will open another dialog box where you select the areas or the learning subjects that you teach. But for this case, I teach in the primary section. I select primary, then the aggregate score is there, and then you click on the tab next. And now the next step, you'll come to this wealth declaration tab where you have different tabs of income, assets and liabilities. So you click on income, fill the appropriate fields with the figures from your or the total salary for the last 2 years, and then go to the assets. If you own certain assets and liabilities, ensure you click and fill all those fields, and then ensure once you have filled those appropriate fields, click to add or save, because if you don't, it will not be saved. Then once you are through, click next. It will go to the next tab. Step 5 is now capturing your spouses or your spouse and dependents. So you have two things. First of all, you capture your spouses or your spouse and then the dependents. So you enter your spouse or your spouse's names and details. Click Save button to proceed. One can capture more dependents by repeating the same process. And then the dependents, declaration of income, assets, and liabilities. So the goodness with this system is you can use it if your spouse is a teacher or any other field of profession. You can use this button or tab to also declare for him or her the declaration of wealth. If not applicable, click Next to proceed. Now, step 6 is capturing other information. Enter any other relevant information in the fields provided and click on Save button. If not applicable, click on the Next button to move to the next page. Step 7 now is to capture the witness details and viewing the declaration summary. So you enter the witness details in the fields provided and click Save. Click on the View Summary button to view your declaration. In case you need to make corrections, click on the appropriate menu on the left side of the window of the previous button to move back to the page you want to edit. Once you're satisfied, click Submit button to complete your declaration. A copy will be sent to your email and be provided as above. Thanks for watching this.